Have you ever felt like you've missed opportunities or wasted years of your life? It's a feeling many of us can relate to, but what if I told you that those years weren't truly wasted? The universe has a way of realigning our path and providing restoration, often in ways we least expect. Today we're diving into the 7 signs that the universe is working to restore all those years you thought were lost. As you listen, you might just recognize these signs in your own life, confirming that your journey is not only on track, but also beautifully orchestrated by forces greater than we can imagine. Let's explore these 7 signs and how they manifest in our lives, offering hope, healing, and a renewed sense of purpose. A renewed sense of purpose. One of the most profound signs that the universe is restoring your wasted years is the emergence of a renewed sense of purpose. This might come as a sudden clarity or a slow realization that everything you've gone through was leading you to this point. You begin to see how your experiences, no matter how difficult or painful, have shaped you into the person you are today, with unique insights and strengths. This renewed sense of purpose is often accompanied by a feeling of excitement and anticipation for the future. You find yourself drawn to new interests or passions that align with your authentic self. It's as if the universe is whispering to you, guiding you towards a path that not only honors your past, but also builds upon it. This sense of purpose is not something you have to force or fabricate. It flows naturally as you start to connect the dots of your life. You realize that every setback was a setup for a comeback, and every detour was a necessary part of your journey. As you embrace this renewed sense of purpose, you begin to see the beauty in your journey and the promise of what's to come. Opportunities begin to align. Another sign that the universe is restoring your wasted years is the sudden alignment of opportunities. You might start to notice doors opening that were previously closed, or new paths emerging that seem perfectly suited for you. These opportunities may come in the form of new job offers, unexpected collaborations, or even chance encounters with people who can help you on your path. It's important to pay attention to these opportunities and trust that they are part of the universe's plan for your restoration. This alignment of opportunities is not a coincidence. It's a reflection of your inner alignment with your true self and your life's purpose. As you become more aligned with who you are meant to be, the universe responds by aligning circumstances and opportunities that support your growth and fulfillment. It's as if the universe is saying, "You're ready now. Here's your chance to make the most of your experiences and create something beautiful out of them." As you embrace these opportunities, you begin to see how the universe is working in your favor, turning your past struggles into stepping stones for a brighter future. Healing and letting go of the past. One of the most powerful signs of restoration is the process of healing and letting go of the past. This might involve forgiving yourself and others for past mistakes or releasing the emotional baggage that has been holding you back. As you heal and let go, you create space for new experiences and opportunities to enter your life. This process of healing is often accompanied by a sense of peace and freedom, as if a weight has been lifted off your shoulders. You begin to see your past not as a series of failures or wasted years, but as a necessary part of your journey that has brought you to where you are today. This shift in perspective allows you to move forward with confidence and optimism, knowing that your past does not define you, but rather prepares you for a brighter future. As you continue to heal and let go, you open yourself up to the possibilities that the universe has in store for you, and you begin to see how your past experiences can be used to help others on their journey. Increased intuition and inner knowing. As the universe works to restore your wasted years, you may notice an increase in your intuition and inner knowing. You might start to have a stronger sense of what feels right or wrong for you, and you find it easier to make decisions that align with your true self. This increased intuition is a sign that you are becoming more attuned to the guidance of the universe and your higher self. You might find yourself drawn to certain people or places, or feeling a strong urge to pursue a particular path. Trusting your intuition can lead you to the experiences and opportunities that are meant for you and help you avoid situations that no longer serve your growth. As you listen to your intuition and follow its guidance, you begin to see how the universe is leading you towards the restoration of your wasted years. This inner knowing is a powerful tool that can help you navigate the twists and turns of life and make the most of the opportunities that come your way. As you cultivate your intuition and trust in the guidance of the universe, you begin to feel more confident and empowered to create the life you desire. Synchronicities and meaningful coincidences. Another sign that the universe is restoring your wasted years is the presence of synchronicities and meaningful coincidences in your life. These are the moments when things just seem to fall into place, or when you experience a series of events that feel too perfect to be mere coincidence. Synchronicities are the universe's way of communicating with you and guiding you towards your highest good. They can come in many forms, such as meeting the right person at the right time, receiving a message or sign that resonates with you, or experiencing a series of events that lead you to a new opportunity. These synchronicities are not random. They are a reflection of the alignment between your inner self and the universe. As you become more aware of these synchronicities and open yourself up to their guidance, you begin to see how the universe is orchestrating your journey and leading you towards the restoration of your wasted years. These meaningful coincidences can serve as powerful reminders that you are on the right path and that the universe is supporting you every step of the way. Positive changes in relationships. The universe often works through our relationships to bring about restoration and healing. You might notice positive changes in your relationships as a sign that the universe is restoring your wasted years. This could manifest as the strengthening of existing relationships, the healing of past wounds, or the emergence of new supportive connections. As you grow and evolve, your relationships are likely to change as well, reflecting the person you are becoming. You might find that you are drawn to people who support your growth and encourage you to pursue your dreams, and you begin to distance yourself from relationships that no longer serve your highest good. This shift in relationships is a sign that the universe is aligning you with the people who are meant to be a part of your journey. These positive changes in relationships can provide you with the support and encouragement you need to move forward and make the most of the opportunities that come your way. As you cultivate healthy, supportive relationships, you begin to see how the universe is working to restore your wasted years and bring you the love and connection you deserve, a feeling of peace and contentment. Finally, one of the most powerful signs that the universe is restoring your wasted years is a deep sense of peace and contentment. This feeling might come as a subtle shift in your perspective, or it might wash over you like a wave of calm and reassurance. You begin to feel at peace with your past, present, and future, knowing that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. This sense of contentment is not dependent on external circumstances, but rather comes from within, as you align with your true self and your life's purpose. You start to appreciate the journey you've been on, and you feel grateful for the experiences that have shaped you into the person you are today. This feeling of peace and contentment is a sign that you are in alignment with the universe and that the restoration of your wasted years is well underway. As you embrace this sense of peace and contentment, you begin to see the beauty in your journey and the promise of what's to come. You trust that the universe has a plan for your life, and you are open to the possibilities that lie ahead. In conclusion, the universe is constantly working to restore our wasted years, often in ways that we cannot see or understand. These 7 signs, a renewed sense of purpose, alignment of opportunities, healing and letting go of the past, increased intuition, synchronicities, positive changes in relationships, and a feeling of peace and contentment, are all indications that the universe is guiding us towards the restoration and fulfillment of our life's purpose. As you recognize these signs in your own life, trust that the universe is working in your favor and that your journey is unfolding exactly as it should. Embrace the opportunities and experiences that come your way, and know that your wasted years are not lost, but are being transformed into a beautiful tapestry of growth, learning, and fulfillment. Remember, the universe has a plan for your life, and it is always working to bring you the happiness and success you deserve. Stay open to the possibilities and trust in the journey, knowing that the best is yet to come. As you embrace these signs and recognize the universe's work in your life, remember that each moment is an opportunity to grow and flourish.